In the UAE, a leading hotel chain operates across cities like Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Al Ain, and Sharjah. They manage diverse properties catering to business travelers, tourists, and long-term residents. However, fragmented data, limited insights, and manual reporting hindered effective decision-making. Agira engineered the solution using Azure Databricks to enable seamless data integration and large-scale processing. Interactive dashboards was integrated for interactive real-time visualization, secured through encrypted connections and role-based access control. OptiStay delivered a comprehensive solution with a cutting-edge analytics dashboard, centralizing hotel performance data. The dashboard offers real-time insights with multi-dimensional analysis, segmented by city, hotel, room class, and booking channels. It's all secured with role-based access control. This implementation empowered the hotel chain with data-driven insights, optimized revenue strategies, and improved operational efficiency. Automated data processing enabled faster decisions, boosting occupancy rates, and reducing cancellations. The analytics dashboard transformed hotel management by turning fragmented data into actionable insights, enabling hoteliers to enhance profitability and guest experiences across their entire portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and stay tuned.